Today we challenge 10 seconds. Replace the air conditioner filter element for Volkswagen Touran 330. Follow me. The first step is to put down the handrail. Then this has two snaps that press up. Then the box came down. The air conditioner cover is here. Let's put the air conditioner cover and press down. G. Just pull it out. Then here is where to install the air conditioner filter. Now replace it with one like ours. Double-sided double filter. Fleece spray cloth for face mask. The back is full of activated carbon particles. The filtering effect is very good. Then we install the fleece spray cloth face. Hey, it's installed. Then we restore the air conditioner cover. Then we can restore the handle box. This way, the replacement is completed. Isn't it very simple? If your car won't change the filter, you can hit the comment area and I'll shoot a replacement video for you.
Nice.